So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you install Scikit-Image, which is a library built in Python used for image operations. So this is also used for image processing. So firstly let's open our VSCode and then go in file tab here and then open your desired folder. Open folder. I will be using this one. Select folder. This is the folder I will be using and this is the image which we will be using in this particular video. So firstly you need to install our Scikit-Image. You need to make sure that you are using both the same versions, like I will show you. Firstly you have to check the Python version. We are using Python 3.11 here, and let's make a file named as main.py. Okay, now you can see that we are also using 3.11 here. You need to make sure that both these versions must be same. If it's not, then you need to make sure that, like, this is now 3.13. Just go here and then make it 3.11. So now you have to install scikit-learn. Not scikit-learn, Scikit-Image. Pip install Scikit-Image. Since I have already installed this one, so it is showing requirement already satisfied. Now I have a demo code for this video. Just save this. And now let's try running our program. Python main.py. What this code will do is, this will just simply turn this image into black and white image. Let's try running this. You can see that. So this was the basic operation which you can do via Scikit-Image library. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. Now let's see you next time.